Meaning of estate.
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 Estate. The term estate can refer to a variety of things, but generally refers to the total sum of a person's assets and liabilities at any given time. This includes both tangible assets like property, vehicles, and personal belongings, as well as intangible assets like stocks, bonds, and intellectual property. The concept of estate is often closely tied to the legal and financial planning around inheritance, taxes, and transfer of ownership. Understanding one's estate can be important for financial planning and asset management.